Hello everyone. So we have this interesting question from Algebra. This question is from one of the Indian entrance exam for defense services. The name of exam is called CDS, Combined Defense Services. So through this exam, students get into defense services, Indian Army, Air Force, and Indian Navy. This exam takes place after graduation. So let's see what we are given in this question and what we need to find out. As you can see, we are given a variable called x, and x is a fraction. X is a fraction, and we need to find the value of x. X is either between 0 and 0.5, or x is equals to 0.5. Like this, we need to choose the correct option out of these four options. So I'll do this question in three parts. So first part, let's say our fraction is half, correct? Now this fraction is equal or is equivalent to half. These two fractions are equivalent to each other, correct? So this is our first part, correct? Now in the second part, let's say I decrease the denominator by a certain value, let's say by a, okay? Now what is a here? A I am assuming to be a positive number, positive real number, okay? Positive real number. Fine. So a is a positive real number. Now, what will happen to this half? What will happen to this fraction? If I decrease the denominator by a certain value, do you think the value of fraction should increase or decrease? The value of fraction will increase. Yes. Let's say we have numerator upon denominator. This is the fraction, correct? Now, if I decrease the denominator, the value of fraction increases. I hope you must have learned this in junior classes. Yes, I'm using that concept. So this is our second case, second part. Let's jump to the third part. Now this time, I will not decrease the denominator, rather I will increase the denominator. Okay, I will increase the denominator. Now what will happen to the fraction? The value will remain as it is half, or the value will decrease, or the value will increase. So the value will decrease according to this third part. See, if we have numerator upon denominator, this is the fraction, the value of fraction. If we increase the denominator, the value of fraction decreases. The value of fraction decreases. Okay. So that means the value of this fraction 2 plus a will be decreased. Now let's come back to the question. Look at this part. Look at this part. If you look carefully, all the numbers here in this part are positive. Okay. So I don't know what is the value of this whole part, but I know it will be positive because all the numbers are positive. So can I rewrite it as x equals to 1 by 2 plus a? Yes or no? Yes, I can write it like this. I don't know what is the value of this part. I'm assuming it to be a. So my question turns out to be 1 by 2 plus a. Now, can you see that this question has become almost like the third part here? This is like the third part. Yes. Now, as I can see here in the third part, my fractional value is less than half. What is this half? I can rewrite this half as 0.5. Yes. That means the value of 1 by 2 plus a will be less than 0.5. Yes or no? Yes. So is there any option which is similar to this? Let's see. Look at the D option. D option is x is greater than 1. Definitely this can't happen because here I can see x is a proper fraction. If x has to be greater than 1, it has to be an improper fraction. That means numerator has to be greater, but it is not so. Look at the third option. In the third option, x is greater than 0.5. Definitely this is not done, as we have seen x is less than 0.5. Is x equals to 0.5? No, definitely not. He's actually talking about the first case when x is equals to half. No, it is not equals to half. If it would have been equal to half, B would have been answered. Yes, but this is not equal to half. Look at the A option. X is greater than 0 and less than 0.5. Definitely yes. See, the fractional value will never be less than 0 until unless it is a negative fraction. Yes, it is a positive one, so it has to be greater than 0, and as we have seen, it is less than 0.5. So our correct option is A option. This is the correct answer. Yes. I hope you have understood it well. See how basic concepts that we have learned in junior classes are used in competitive exams. Yes. Such an interesting question of fractions. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. And don't forget to challenge your friends. Yes. Make sure you challenge your friends by these questions. Thank you.